Hello, Gun Nation. Big Johnson coming at you. Hey, I wanted to get this out as soon as possible. Very important little PSA. I've had a ton of people asking me about this, and the new Apex Shadow 2 kit will be released tomorrow with the sear, the hammer, and things like that. But that kit will be announced tomorrow, so please check out Apex's site, and you can also check them out on Instagram, and you'll be able to see the goodies. But it will be released tomorrow. I've had a ton of people asking me about it. I tested it. I really like it. It feels awesome, but just wanted to let you know. And if you want to check out the trigger test, you can check out the videos below. And I've got the Shadow 2 versus the CZ Custom trigger. And the difference on the Apex is you get a wall. So it kind of feels more like a 1911. Has a little bit of a wall for the break. And it's actually super, super nice. So you can check out my review on that, and it's the Urban Gray one that actually has the Apex kit in it. So it will only be available for the Shadow 2, not the Shadow 1, and it's going to be like a competition setup, but just wanted to share this with you, and they will be releasing it tomorrow, so please check their website, and then you can also check their Instagram feed. So just wanted to let you be aware of it. I appreciate y'all so much. If you have any questions, please leave them below. But thank you very much. And an unarmed nation is a very weak nation, so we all got to carry on.